Hi everyone, welcome to Ava and me Kids Toys channel. Today we're gonna open Play-Doh surprises featuring Disney Princess Royal Friends collection. And we are going to open them with my daughter Ava. Okay, which one you want to open first?
I want to open pink.
Okay. Pink Play-Doh.
Pink! Thank you, Mommy. What the cereal?
Oh, who's this?
Flounder.
We have Flounder, and Flounder is a friend of
Ariel.
Princess Ariel. Here we have Flounder.
Flounder.
Oh, this is super duper cute.
Let's bring Ariel to next.
This is Ariel's friend.
Yep. Right here.
Okay, so which one we're gonna open next, babe?
I'm going to open Ariel.
We're gonna open yellow Play-Doh. Alright, next we're gonna open yellow. We have yellow Play-Doh. What's that?
Crappy.
Here we have Sebastian.
It's in her mouth.
Okay, so now we have two. We have Sebastian
Taschen
and Flounder. And both of these are pet of Ariel, Princess Ariel the mermaid.
Yeah, the from out the sea.
Under the sea.
Yep.
Okay, so next we're gonna open. Next we're gonna open is yellow green or a green Play-Doh.
Open it.
Okay, here we have green Play-Doh. And what's this? Let's check it out. Oh, Mushu!
The dragon.
Yes, Mushu is a pet of Mulan, Princess Mulan.
Hana Mulan.
I know, it's okay. Oh, this is Mushu.
Where'd it go, Mommy?
Here we have Mushu.
Mushu. He can stand up.
And he's a dragon. Here we have Mushu. Oh, super cute.
We have Mushu.
Mushu. Hello. My name is Mushu.
Hello, my name is Mushu.
Okay. Alright, next we're gonna open is
The pencil.
red Play-Doh. What is this gonna be, baby?
Open, Mommy.
Alright, oh, good job. This
It's
one
red.
is red Play-Doh. And what is this? Green. It's Pascal. Babe, whose pet is Pascal, babe?
It's for the pencil.
Rapunzel's pet. It's Pascal. Oh, they look cute and adorable together.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put Pascal right next to Rapunzel.
Now is Elsa.
Okay, orange Play-Doh.
Many stuff. I'm so angry.
Okay, here you go, babe. What is this? Orange Play-Doh. And this time it is Panda. It's a panda. The panda looks like your lettuce pet shop. Whose pet is it? Okay, this time his name is Hubert. And I don't know whose pet is Hubert. Do you know, babe? Maybe Cinderella?
No. Oh, it's for Jasmine.
Okay, Jasmine. Alright, it's okay. Here we have Hubert, and he is a panda. Oh, let's fix Mushu. Now let's put Mushu right here. Oh, super cute. Okay, let's open some more, babe. We have some more. Blue Play-Doh. Okay, here you go, babe. Okay, so what do we have here? Abu. Abu is a monkey, and Abu is a pet of
Sebastian.
Abu is a pet of Jasmine, Princess Jasmine, and Aladdin. It's from the movie Aladdin.
Oh, yeah. I love to watch my princess.
Okay. All right. Let's open some more.
And then Elsa.
Okay. All right. This time we have
Purple.
oh, purple Play-Doh. All right. Who do we have here?
The tiger.
Oh, his name is Rajah, and he's a pet of Jasmine again. Princess Jasmine. So here we have Rajah. He is a tiger. Roar, roar. Cute tiger. It's Princess Jasmine's pet. Now let's do white Play-Doh.
Why is black like that?
And this time it is who's that, babe?
Guess off was Cinderella. Choose
Yes,
Cinderella.
his name is Gus.
Gus.
Yes. Oh, that's super duper cute. Gus with Cinderella right next to him. Oh.
You look so good. I can wear the pants. Yeah, we have a
Oh,
pair.
super duper cute Gus. Okay, here we go, baby. It's Dopey.
Dopey.
Oh, he's a pet of Cinderella again, I think. Yeah? Is it right, babe?
No,
Snow White.
Snow White.
Here is Dopey, super duper cute Dopey. Oh. Here you go, guys. This is Dopey, pet of Snow White.
Dopey. I'm a big Dopey.
We have another pink. Okay, here.
Green.
Oh, it's a green Play-Doh. Oh my gosh! This is Lumiere. Lumiere is a pet of Belle. So here you go, guys. This is Lumiere. Lumiere is a pet of
Belle. Cute.
So here you go, guys. We have Lumiere. This is a pet of Belle. Okay. Last one that we open is the yellow. It's a yellow Play-Doh.
La Play-Doh.
And this is
Teapot.
Mrs. Potts. And this is a pet of, a companion of who?
Belle.
Belle. Mrs. Teapot's is a companion of Belle. So here you go, guys. This is Mrs. Potts. Thank you guys for watching my video on Ava today. This is Jan of Ava and Me Kids Toys channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe right here at Ava and Me Kids Toys channel. Thanks for watching.